top 3 Poki unblocked games you must try today. Poki is an exhilarating platform that offers a plethora of addictive Poki unblocked games. With such an overwhelming section, it can be tough to decide which game to play. Here's a list of top Poki unblocked games that will provide you with an amazing gaming experience. Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is one of the most intriguing Poki games unblocked that takes you to a nostalgic world. In this game, you play a character named Jack, evading a police officer and his dog while dodging trains and obstacles. Although its popularity has waned, Poki continues to update the game and has recently introduced a classic version to keep its legacy alive. Stick Merge. Stick Merge is another amazing Poki unblocked game that rose to prominence quickly. You play as a stick figure in a battlefield combat scenario, starting with a basic pistol and gradually upgrading to a more powerful weapon, providing a user-friendly and intriguing gaming experience. Temple Run. Temple Run's one of the most adventurous Poki unblocked games, involving endless running as you escape from a castle, navigating turns and obstacles while being chased by a monster. Similar to Subway Surfers, the speed increases constantly and players collect coins along the way. Murder. Murder is a top Poki unblocked game for fans of violent, crime-related TV shows. The game involves taking out the king and claiming the throne, similar to the old Japanese Daruma game. It's perfect for those who enjoy heinous crimes and their investigations.